Hey everybody, Mud Beast here. How's it going? Well, it's a nice day out here. As you can tell, it's sunny, at least. Gonna get cold soon. But this is gonna be part 2 of farm equipment and everything else. So I just want to show some of the stuff that I did miss. I think you'll really enjoy that. This is says here, force feed green drill. I'll just show it to you here. Real big machine. Too bad it's covered all under this debris, you know. But I'll go up a close-up on there. Yeah, I bet you at one point this was a real nice machine, everybody. And there's a sawmill in here too. Real neat gadget. I don't think people don't see this too much. What a neat little machine, eh? Who knows if that puppy still works or not. But I'm going to show everybody the other 2 tractors as well that this guy has. And oh wait a minute, there's also something in here too. It looks like a Skidoo, but the belt underneath has a bunch of like wheels and everything too. You probably won't be able to see it very well, but I'll show it to you anyway. See, there's the wheels with the belt and everything too. So I don't know how many wheels are on this puppy, but real neat though. You know? Yeah, this thing was operational in June of '78 or something like that. Wow. Yeah, it looks like a Skidoo here. It's Playcat or something. Who knows? Rough shape. It's too bad people let things rot away and don't look after things. It's too bad, you know. But I'm not going to criticize, so it's not my place to do so. If this was all my equipment, I wouldn't be letting it, you know, potentially get destroyed like this. Especially in the last video when I showed all that nice stuff that's just sitting outside. Man. Like I said, if it was mine, I'd have it in a place where, just taking off my bag here. So, put that right over there. Nice and free. Well, I gotta be careful going in here. As you notice this, I'll just show it to you. She's buckling like crazy in here. So I gotta be careful, everybody. First thing I'll show you is, I guess it's, forgot what they call it. It's like a seed spreader or a planter of some sort. Here, I'll just show it to you. It's really cool. And it works too. There she is. Look at this, everybody. Isn't that neat? Wow. Seeds go up in there and plants it right in there. Hey, there's the thing on the bottom here where the seed goes in, or right into the ground there. So you can tell everything works really well. Wow, really nice shape. This is the other Allis Chalmers that he has here. Sorry about the lighting, might be too bright, but real neat old tractor. With this one here, you have to put a crank in the front of it in order to start it. Let's see if I can get on this side and be able to show you. All right. Yeah, she's little tight quarters, everybody. But this is a real beauty though. It's got real nice new tires on it too in the front there, so that's kind of nice. There we go. I'll show you where that crank is. It's not like a regular tractor there. Not like the one outside there. It has a modification of electric start, as you notice. Put the crank in here and you turn it. And she turns over, everybody. Real neat little tractor. Yeah, real cool. Yeah, it's too bad people don't look after stuff. You know, this is the case here. Wonder if anybody's seen this emblem before. Trying to move this stuff so you can see it. Well, it's kind of hard now, but it's really bright. There we go. It's this case, and it's an eagle there. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. She's an oldie, everybody. Like it. Yeah, they just don't make stuff like this anymore. It's too bad. What a shame. Everything was built to last back then. Way better builds. Today everything's like a throwaway society, you know what I mean? Oh, I gotta be careful stepping on some nails here. As you can see, the place is falling apart, and I'd hate to see him lose all these beautiful antiques here. That when this comes down, it's gonna destroy a lot of things around here. He also has well, his father had a collection of walk-behind lawn tractors. I wish I would have been able to show you them, but they're buried under on this side of the barn here, unfortunately. It's too bad, you know. Might have to help him one day to clean all this stuff up once we get a few big pieces of equipment in here. But I'll try to show you what I can see. Here's with the green handles here. It's an oldie. Yeah, it's like a plow of some sort. But down there, I don't know if you could see. Oh yeah, there's another one with the handles, but it's a bit rusted. See that little U shape here. I don't know. It's hard to tell on camera, everybody. Sorry. I just don't want to look at this. You know what I mean? I don't want to go in there. See, there's one down there that's with green handles with some tractor tires just down there. I don't know if you could see it right down here. There's the tractor tires way back there. Sorry about the lighting, everybody, but I don't want to risk my life going in here. But there is several pieces of equipment in here. Quite a collection for what I hear. So, it's too bad. I hope he gets this stuff out of here soon, man. Hate to see him to lose all this nice stuff, like I said. What a shame. Especially this old Allis Chalmers here. I'm a real big fan of Allis Chalmers. So, they're built to last. You know? So, there's a little big block here. I don't know the size on the engine, but she's a big puppy. That's all I know. He has her covered up pretty darn good too, so I won't mess with it. You know? Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. It's got all kinds of things in here. I gotta be careful how I walk and or where I walk. So there's an old compressor there too. Yeah, pretty neat stuff. Whatever this used to be. I don't know what that really is. Somebody will know what those things are with the teeth on them. Just want to show that up. Yeah. There's a couple of old skidoos back here that I want to show you guys. Someone's yelling or something, or some weird bird or whatever. Yeah, here's a Panther Arctic cat. Real old classic one though. Not sure if they work, everybody, so look at the seat job on that, eh? Wow. Imagine that. Gas tank in the seat back there. Yeah. Yeah. It's too bad that these things are just left here like this. Would have loved to see these old things still in working condition. I'm sure you guys would love to see that too. Oh, what a disappointment to see a nice barn go down like this. That's what happens when people just don't care, eh? Sorry to say that, but it's the truth. So, well, I'm going to get myself safely out of here. So, till the next video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you then. I'm Mud Beast, and see you in the next video.